saw the damage. They just started back in 3 and 4.
Just definitely a right front went down. Why that occurred, if he had made contact with the ball before that, we don't know.
We'll take you on board the 4 of John Hunter Nemechek. See if you can get a look up ahead. There's Roper.
That's when you just hope, Vince, that truck stays pinned up high, and nice reaction there. How he got squeezed. He's way down on the bottom of the racetrack. He did the squeezing.
Yep. That's the 42 of Hocevar.
Oh, what a great job by Kligerman.
Wow.
That's what he had all he could handle there, Vince. That thing cut to the left. He stands on the brakes. He slides right into Friesen. Kligerman with a nice move. Knew to just keep the turning left and try to keep squeezing on the brakes. Made it work.
Coming at you.
Oh, just trying to squeeze up and grab that spot, and just not enough room.
They're coming through turn 3 and headed into turn 4. Oh, that's what happened.
Yeah, just got in a little hot. Up the hill she goes. Himself in the 22, and then just gets loose. Brian Truex squeezed into the hole. It wasn't quite there, but he was committed, and that turned the 15 around. And most everybody makes it by, but he just goes low and swept up.
Yeah, at that point, Timmy Hill had no option. So the night is complete for Tanner Gray as, boy, Ogata with a big hit for the restart.
Oh, and the 2 KBM trucks, big contact. The 17 of David Gilliland in that as well. Austin Hill goes around. And they're still piling in.
Zane Smith, another good truck in that 21. Heavy contact. Row outside. Corey Heim, front row inside.
Yeah. It's hard to say what was happening behind them, right, Greg, with all the pushing?
It's so hard. You got those brand new tires. I think that the top 4 that stayed out just couldn't get the power down, and I think that everybody just started pushing.
And you can see the 16's into the back of the 4, and that turns him maybe. See John Hunter correcting to the left and right, trying to keep control, and they just come together.
I think Friesen was on the back bumper of Corey Heim, and maybe Friesen was getting some help from behind from the 99 of Ben Rhodes.
Look at Johnny Sauter in that 13 truck. He slips by, and then after that, the track is blocked.
Dawson Cram involved in that. Chandler Smith.
Grant Enfinger.
Yep.
That looked like Talladega.
Challenging. Oh, the 75 of Kligerman.
You gotta be kidding me.
Friesen. And the caution is out again.
Bruh.
Tire, right, Biff?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
The truck made a massive turn to the right immediately. So I'm guessing that's what happened.
At least make it to the white flag. Come on, come on. You gotta be kidding me.
Danny Bone has gone around and
He just got boned. Very nice. Yeah.
Danny Bone racing inside of Reed in the 24 just got loose.
What happened to Deegan?
Contact with the 45 of Darnell.
Yay.
The tire going down, maybe?
I'm not a hater of Haley Deegan, but I'm not a fan of Haley Deegan. Why? Dang it, I accidentally muted it. There you go.
Our Camping World 1 to go.
Since Sheldon Creed, from when I saw him win at Texas, is my first race in person, and there's a caution. Great! Who did it? Who did it? But Sheldon Creed wins. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's Haley Deegan. Oh my gosh. Gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh, and Sheldon Creed wins. By the way, I had to see the last laps because I didn't get to see it. Because I was in the restroom and I couldn't get to see the finish. And Well, that's your crash completion for you. So like, subscribe, enjoy the video!